All right. Welcome back again, Money Makers. This is your boy Duran, and as always, we stay making you find money. This particular website is joincrowd.com, and it's pretty much different freelancing opportunities that they will help you to pay for. So, like, we have a target one right here. This particular gig, it lasts all the way until April 30th, and only 18 of the 100 is filled, so you can still it's still over, 90 some spots that you can um, potentially potentially be your spot. So what you have to do is the incentive payout is $100, and you need to go to a Target store. And then by accepting these terms, you can reserve a spot. And obviously, you want to sign in, um, join crowd, sign in with your Google account here. Um, so let's do that. Continue. There was no account find, so let's just say sign in. Okay. Well, you can always sign up with a Google account, and then you'll be able to log into that. So, what's going to happen is it's going to have a different list of gigs that you can be able to potentially make money from. It could be from 100, it could be from 500. All of this, the website, the website has a whole list of all the gig works that you can potentially do, as you saw in the beginning of the page. Um, and it's definitely something to potentially definitely to potentially getting it. So they have this Amazon one here too, um, that you can potentially do this as well too. And this one pays $50 and only 14 out of 100. A lot of people don't really know about this particular website, so I would highly recommend that you get on this and do this. But other than that, you guys have a great and wonderful day, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye now.